Greetings, and this is how you add themes from local. In step 1, make a folder and, then bring all of them into the folder. Then in the folder, tap 1 and tap on rename, and then you can copy the name, make a new folder, and then you just paste the name right there, and then go into the zip folder, select all, and once you select all, you gotta drag and drop it into the folder, and voila, you got your themes in the folder. Then repeat for your next theme. Then when we're done, you can delete the zip folders to save storage, and then plug in your psvita. But before that, click on search and type QCMA, and that will show up, and you gotta do this. It's gonna say device is disconnected, but you gotta wait for the root to show up, and there it is. Now you wanna create folder name custom theme if you haven't. I did it, and this is my folder. Yeah, I wanna drag and drop the new ones into that folder. Then in the psvita, press X to cancel, and that will be gone too. And in the psvita, you want to go to the app custom theme, and then you want to tap on the local stuff, and then you want to press start to install all of them. And we already did this, so it's fine. So press start and start again, and press any button to return a black square or something, and then go to apply theme. It will bring you to the settings and pick anything you want. I'm gonna pick this one, and just press select and listen to this. Most of them come with music, but some don't too, so keep that in mind. And if you wanna change theme, just go to settings. Don't forget to plug out your psvita and it will say the device has been disconnected, and that is all.